Today, I would be discussing our project Sangwan House. It's one of Habitat Design Collective's low-cost residential projects and has been designed and built along with interior finishes in Rs 30 lakhs. My name is Architect Gagan from Habitat Design Collective, New Delhi. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. Planned for a single family which has a plot area of 1200 square feet, Sangwan House is a duplex situated in Karala near Rohini Sector 22. First, we optimize the corner location of the plot by designing the volume of the house such that it enhances the two open edges, with the facade curving around the corner. The curve maximizes facade area, which in turn increases daylight entering the house. A close look at the ground floor plan highlights the four quadrants, each of which has distinct functions. A semi-covered porch, which also doubles as parking space, a drawing room overlooking the courtyard, and the two bedrooms. The first floor has one bedroom, while the rest of the area forms the family lounge and an open kitchen and dining area in a continuity of the skylit courtyard. The kitchen, the hearth of the house, has a very strategic location with a view of both the outside main entry and the entire house from within, giving a sense of control as well as security. The patterned brick wall highlights this on the facade. The first floor also has a huge balcony which follows the curve of the house, making room for a balcony garden for a client who loves plants. The front facade is also divided into four quadrants. The top left highlighting the kitchen with an exposed brick pattern and the semi-covered porch as a void. The balcony follows the curve of the form, extending on one side till the plot rear. The walls are made of rat trap bond, which passively insulates the building, increasing the time lag and reducing material consumption. Further, to reduce heat gain from the terrace, the top slab has been made deeper by using inverted beams and cow dung cake filling and finished with reflective china mosaic. The skylit courtyard is an important part of the design as well as passive cooling. It brings in daylight in the deeper interior spaces, eliminating need for turning on lights during day, and the ventilators in the skylight facilitates cross ventilation in the entire house, while the indoor plants in the courtyard purifies the air. Further, the material palette for the residents has been restricted to easily sourced local materials like clay bricks, Kota stone, locally manufactured floor tiles, and wooden door frames from the village. The exterior is finished in long-lasting granular texture, reducing maintenance cost and keeping a contextual coherence. Thus, despite a strict budget and a compact plot size, one can get their dream house with site-appropriate design and adoption of efficient construction techniques. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comments section below.